Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about the special quadrilaters. How to construct the special quadrilaters. Okay. Construction of special type of quadrilaters. Okay. Construction of quadrilaters. Okay, so special cases, see the example 6, the one of the special type of the quadrilateral is given. Construct the parallelogram. Okay, so in a previous class we have learned about the how to make the quadrilateral. We have using the 4-5 types, is it? Which are the measurements we have needed, how to make the quadrilateral we have seen in the previous classes. Okay, here construct the parallelogram. The specify the names. Okay, already know about the quadrilaters, is it? So what are the quadrilaters? Parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezium, isosceles trapezium. These are all called the quadrilaters. Here specify the names and we have to make the quadrilateral by using the given data. Okay, the example 6. Construct the parallelogram. Okay, ABCD with AB. Solution. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. You know that what are the properties having the parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, and diagonal bisect each other. Okay, so this you know that here 3 sides only given. AB equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 4.5 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. AC is equal to 7 centimeter. First draw the rough diagram. How can you draw? The AB value was 5 centimeter. So what are the properties having the parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So here the AB value was 5 centimeter. Okay, and BC value was 4.5 centimeter and the diagonal AC is given. Okay, 7 centimeter. Other two sides, how can you write? You know that the property. Apply the property. Opposite sides are equal. Parallel and equal. These are the opposite angles. So here 4.5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. Okay, right. Now draw the FAR diagram. FAR. First draw the line segment AB 5 centimeter by using scale. Okay. So you have exactly take the 5 centimeter AB. Okay. Next. What are the measurements you know? The B and A. Okay. So first we have consider with the center A and B. Draw an arc of the measurement 7 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter by using the compass. So the diagonal value was 7 centimeter. So here diagonal is given. So first what we do? So any kind of problem, diagonal is given. First you should draw the diagonal. Okay. First you should draw the diagonal. Okay, diagonal value is given. So first we have draw the 7 centimeter AC. Seven centimeter. Draw the diagonal. Okay. After you have draw the remaining two of them. Already seen the previous two classes. The diagonal is given. One diagonal is given. What we do? First prefer to the diagonal. Okay. So first AC is equal to 7 centimeter draw. After we have draw the this side or any one of the side. Okay. I have considered this side 4.5 centimeter with center A and 5 centimeter the center C. Draw an arc at the intersecting at D. Okay. So first 4.5 centimeter. 4.5 centimeter and 5 centimeter with center C. Okay, now join these arcs from A to C. Okay, in intersecting the arcs at D. Intersecting arc at D. Okay, now we have draw center AC, draw the other side. Okay, another one of the side of the line AC. Okay, the line segment AC, the measurement, the radius 5 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Okay, the same measurement. Okay, AD is 4.5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. That's center because the opposite sides are parallel and equal. Parallel and equal. Okay. Now join the lines from C to B and A to B also. Write the measurements 5 centimeter. Here also 4.5 centimeter. B is 5 centimeter, is it? AB 5 centimeter and BC is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, so opposite sides are parallel and equal. That's it. Okay. Now write the construction. Okay. The first what we do. Steps for don't forget it, after the far diagram you should write the below of the far diagram only you have to write the steps for construction, need not to write in the new page or another one of the page or left side of the page. Okay, so first one, draw AC. So diagonal is given, so first prefer to the diagonal. So diagonal AC is equal to 7 centimeter. First you have draw. After with A and C, is it? A and C as center and ready. Which are the radius? 4.5 and 5 centimeter respectively. Draw two arcs on one side of AC. AC intersecting each other at D. And next with A and C as center and a radi centimeter and 4.5 centimeter respectively. Draw two arcs on the other side. Okay, two arcs on other side of AC intersecting each other at B. Okay, thus A, B, C, D is required quadrilateral. Okay, right. And next one of the example 7. Construct the rectangle. Construct the rectangle PQRS in which PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter and diagonal PR is equal to 6.4 centimeter. What are the properties you have learned about the rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Okay. So now we have using this property and make a quadrilateral triangle. So rectangle. So what are the data are given? Here PQR as a rectangle. Okay. Example 7. PQR as a rectangle and given PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter and two measurements only given. The diagonal PR is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter and PR is equal to 6.4 centimeter is given. Okay, how to make? Just remember the property and we have made. First draw the rough diagram. So PQRS is a rectangle. Okay, so draw the rectangle. Okay, PQRS. Okay, which are the measurements are given? 5.5. PQ is 5.5 centimeter and diagonal PR is given. PR 6.4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, we know the two values, but we know the property. What is that? The diagonals are equal in rectangle. So PRS 6.4 centimeter, then QS is also 6.4 centimeter. Is it 6.4 centimeter and PQ is 5.5 centimeter. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. Okay, so here 5.5 centimeter, here also 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now we can draw the quadrilateral. Okay, first draw the 5.5 centimeter. Okay, line segment. First draw the line segment 5.5 centimeter. Okay, after we have draw the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, why do you have draw the 90 degree? Is it the angle of the rectangle is 90 degree? We didn't know that length of these two sides, so we have draw the perpendicular. So that is a 90 degree you have draw. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector using the compass. Okay. Listen. With center P, take any measurement. Take any one of the measurement. Draw an arc with center P. Okay, after intersecting at the point, okay, here intersecting on the line, you have consider the same measurement. Need not to change any measurements in a compass. Okay, so which measurement you have, draw the first one of the arc, the same measurement using the other process also. Okay, so with center here, draw arc and intersecting arc with next one this. First inga line intersect ஆயிருக்க அதுல இருந்து ஒரு arc வேணும், அப்புறம் intersect பண்ண arcல இருந்து. Now we have considered this two difference. அதே மெஷர்மெண்ட்டே வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகே, சரி, இதில் ஒரு arc வரைகிறீங்க. அதுவே எந்த சேஞ்சஸ்லாம் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, now you draw the perpendicular line. Perpendicular line draw பண்றீங்க. Okay, it's 90 degree. Okay, and the same one here also we have to do this process. With center Q, take any one of the radius. I think the measurement is changed. Right, after intersecting the line of the arc with center, draw the another one of the arc, and then intersecting of the arc with center, draw the another one of the arc. After you have draw that, now we can draw it. Okay, is 90 degree. Okay, complete. Now you have draw the diagonals. Take the 6.4 centimeter by using the compass. Okay, 6.2. Okay, have exactly take the 6.2. Okay, here with center P to R. Okay, draw the arc. The same measurement with center Q, draw the arc of the. Okay, that's it. P to here and with center Q to here are the arcs. Now join the arcs from P to R. Okay, at center, draw the arc from P to R. Okay, and then from Q to S, draw the other arc. Use it. Okay, right, now intersecting the arcs as yes. Okay, now join S R. Now join the line S R. Okay, you have to take exact values and draw properly. Okay, Right. Okay. Now the measurement of opposite values is also 5.5 centimeter. Okay. 5.5 centimeter. Now we get the rectangle. Now we get the rectangle. How can you draw the rectangle? Here two values are given. One is the base and another one is the diagonals as given. Okay. So we know that property of rectangle. The diagonals are equal and opposite sides are equal. So first we have draw the base value of PQ. After we have draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. Okay, after we have draw the perpendicular P and Q. After complete that, with center P, the diagonal. So you have start from the P with center P 6.4 centimeter. Diagonals are equal in rectangle. So inga irundhu idha inga arc pannum. Okay vama, and with center Q draw the arc of S. Okay, then join the line, we get the rectangle. Okay, now write the steps. The first one, draw PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and then second step with P and Q. Okay, with P and Q as center, draw angle of 90 degree, that is perpendicular. Okay, we have draw the perpendicular bisector with center P and Q, that is the second step. Okay, so angle of 90 degree at each point. Okay, right. And step 3, what we do next one, draw the diagonals. Okay, draw the diagonals. So the same one with P and Q as center and a radii. Okay, radii means plural form. Okay, radius means singular, radii means plural. We have write the 2 points from the B, P and Q. Okay, so we have write in this place radii. Okay, radii of 6.4 centimeter, 6.4 centimeter. Okay, twice the times. Okay, because the rectangle of the diagonals are equal in length, so we have using 6.4 centimeter. Draw two arcs, intersecting, which are the points Q, R and P, S. Q, R intersecting Q, R and P, S at R and S. R and S, is it? Q, yes, Q, R and P, S at the R and S. And finally, join S to R. Thus we get the record. Thus PQRS is rectangle. That's all. Okay, that's it. And next one of the example 8. Here the special quadrilateral square is given. Construct the special quadrilateral is square is given. Okay, so construct the square ABCD in which each diagonal is of 6 centimeter length. So diagonals only given. diagonals only given. So our sides are not given. Okay, you know that diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Square, rhombus, is it? We have known the properties about the square and rhombus, is it? Diagonal bisect at each other at 90 degrees. So அப்போ ஈக்குவலாக என்ன ஆகுமா, டிவைட் ஆகும். எதுலாம் ஸ்கொயரும் ராம்பஸும். So we have using this property we can make a square. Okay, see 8th one, example 8, construct this square. Okay, so only one value was given, the diagonal is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Okay, so here also the length of the diagonals are equal in square also, is it? Square also the length are equal. Okay, so rectangle and square having the diagonals are equal length. So we have using that. The first we have draw the rough diagram. So what is that first one? The diagonal only given. Okay, so draw the square. Okay, diagonals are equal. Okay, here 6 centimeter, here also 6 centimeter. Others values are not given. So A, B, C, D is given. A, B, C, D. Okay, now draw the fair diagram. So AB value is not there. So when we know the diagonal, first draw the diagonal. Okay, so diagonal 6 centimeter I have draw. centimeter. AC. First I have draw the diagonal AC. After using the compass, okay, sorry, using the compass. Okay, after using the compass we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line AC. Perpendicular bisector of the AC. So how can you draw the perpendicular bisector of AC? The line la half and above. Okay, more than half and above or more than half of the line segment. So we have come with center A. This half, more than half. Okay, draw the arcs with center A and the same measurement with C. Draw the arc. Okay, now join the line. Okay, right, and next we have denoted the lines LM. Okay, now we have draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AC. Now the diagonals are equal in length. Okay, so with center intersecting at the point at O. Okay, O, draw the arc of the radius 3 centimeter because the diagonal total length is 6 centimeter. So half of the diagonal we have considered be 3 centimeter. Okay, so it's center here. Okay, 3 centimeter. Now join. First draw the diagonal draw the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AC. After its center O, we have consider the half of the diagonal. Half of the diagonal with center O, draw the arc of the radius 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Okay. Now join from A to B. Okay, 3 centimeter, here also 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, equally divide. So A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now we get the rachion square. Now we get the rachion square. Now write the steps for construction. The first one, draw the diagonal AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, second step, draw LM perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, intersecting AC at O, and third one intersect H. Okay, and now with O as center, rather radius is it? Here radius 3 centimeter. Draw two sides, okay, two arcs on the both side, on either side of AC. Intersect either side of AC, intersect at D and B. Okay, D and B respectively. And fourth one, join AB, AD, CD and CB. Okay. Thus, ABCD is a rachion square. Rachion square. Okay, that's it. Now see the example 9. Construct the rhombus ABCD given that the side AB is equal to 5 cm and one diagonal is 7 cm. So rhombus. So rhombus also all the sides are equal. Diagonal bisector, triangle. Okay. So diagonal is given. So first we have draw the diagonal and we have side. One side is given. So easy to do the construct the quadrilateral because all the sides are equal in length in rhombus. Okay, so 5 cm, draw all the sides, we get the rachion quadrilateral rhombus. Okay, example 9. Okay, so construct the rhombus ABCD given that a side AB is equal to, so AB equal to 5 cm and one diagonal is 7 cm. Okay, now draw the rough diagram. So the AB, one side is given 5 centimeter AB. Okay, on diagonal. So all the sides of the rhombus are equal in length. Okay, so AB, BC and AD are 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. The diagonal, the one diagonal is given. So we have considered AC as 7 centimeter. Diagonal as 7 centimeter. Now draw the rough diagram, far diagram. Draw the diagonal. When the diagonals are given, you should draw the first. Okay, so draw the diagonal AC 7 centimeter. Okay, now we have drawn using the compass 5 centimeter with center A and C. Okay, all the sides are equal in rhombus. Okay, so with center A, draw the arc 5 centimeter. The same measurement because all the sides are equal in rhombus. With center C also we have draw the same measurement, and we have draw the another one of the side also we have using the same measurement with A and C. Now join the lines from get the rhombus. Okay, so all the sides of the measurement is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So intersecting at the point B and D. Okay, now we get the arc of rhombus. Now write the steps. First we draw the diagonal. Draw AC is equal to 7 centimeter, is it? And second we have draw with A and C as center, and the radius 5 centimeter, and a radius 5 centimeter. Draw 2 arcs on the same side of AC, intersect each other at D. Okay, join A to D and C to D. And third one with A and C as center, and a radius 5 centimeter, because all the sides are equal in length as rhombus. So radius 5 centimeter. Draw 2 arcs on the other side of AC. Okay, other side of AC, intersect intersecting each other at B. Join A to B and C to B. Thus ABCD is a required rhombus. Yes, okay. So completed. The special types also completed. The homework exercise 10.3 1 to 6 problems. Okay, remaining problems we will see in the next class. Okay, there are different kind of problems. Okay, I will do the remaining 5 problems in the next class. I hope you all understood today's concept. If you have any doubt, you will ask in the online class. Thank you, students.